In Chapter 2 of Atomic Habits by James Clear, the focus is on identity over outcomes. Most people set goals like losing weight or saving money, but Clear suggests a different approach. Focus on who you want to become. Habits are not just actions, they are votes for the type of person you believe you are. Lasting change begins with building a new identity, one small habit at a time. There are 3 layers of behavior change: outcomes, processes, and identity. Real transformation starts from the inside out. Identity drives behavior. If you believe you are a healthy person, you are more likely to act like one. Conversely, if you think, "I'm lazy," your habits will reflect that identity. Every action is a vote for the person you want to become. Small, consistent actions reinforce your desired identity. Step 1. Define your desired identity. Ask, who is the person I want to become? Step 2. Align habits with that identity. Choose one small daily action. Make it easy and repeatable. Step 3. Track your votes. Each time you complete the habit, remind yourself, I'm becoming the person I want to be. Over time, belief aligns with behavior. If this helped shift your perspective, hit like, subscribe, and stay tuned for Chapter 3 of Atomic Habits. You're just one habit away from a better you.